Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name's Crystal and today I'm going to be pranking my boyfriend Matthew.
It can only be one place like this. It's good to be home. Yeah.
So for Valentine's Day, he did the whole surprise for me, but in the event of the whole thing, he got me sick, and he thinks it's funny that he got me sick. So today I'm gonna get back at him by pranking him, by making him think that he won $50,000 when he really didn't. So I saw these on Amazon and I decided to purchase them just to prank him, make him think that he won so much money when really it's all a fake, and we're gonna see how his reaction is. I know he's gonna be really upset, but he can't get that mad. So right now I'm gonna head out and go to his house right now, and we'll see what happens. I don't know how I'm gonna set it up or where I'm gonna place it, what I'm gonna do about it, but I'll keep you guys updated on how I'm gonna end up doing it. I really don't know. I'm just gonna try to wing it. Nobody knows about it, not his family, his brother, his dad, nobody knows about it. So it's gonna be really funny when he tries to tell them that he won $50,000 and he really didn't. So we'll see what happens. At these.
You love those.
They're so good.
You love those.
Say hey. They didn't give me the whole bag. Why did you do this?
What else did you, what if you actually get those?
I just asked for these two.
To be a chaperone, coach.
Scratch off? Is it already scratched?
No. The mind of a bad kid.
It's not mine, so I don't want to scratch it.
Babe, I don't even know how to play that.
Okay. Scratch it, then we read it together.
No, you scratch it. Babe,
It's,
I don't
it
know
was
how to
in
do
your
this.
thing. Nah.
No, babe. I just want to eat.
Hold up, you can't eat
It's
yet.
probably not gonna win anyway.
You don't know.
That is like, it's like so
Look,
fraud.
it says match your numbers to any of the winning numbers. These are the winning numbers in the other match. Let's see. No, keep that heat on that. No, I found other things when you're lit.
I don't even know how to play those. I feel like it's like an old version of like coloring, you know?
Yeah, I know. When I used to play the scratch offs, I used to get the lucky sevens all the time. The most I ever made in lucky sevens was like $50. My friend Adrian, he went to the deli right there at 111. He bought a scratch off for $5, made $5.
The most I've ever heard is like when people win $100, we never win anything.
Son, I'm thinking not to hurt Justin's feelings there. What's going on?
Like I said, there's so like, all of them are all rigged. They're all rigged because like, it's almost the 10th one that you win or something.
Is it one match or is it two match? This still is one match. This still is one match. This still is one match.
What now?
Babe? Hold up. I gotta.
Sorry, everyone.
Yo, Dad,
It's fresh.
He's asking his dad to see if he's seeing things wrong. I feel so bad.
You don't remember my dad? I can smell the pig. Perpetrator.
Is that real?
Babe, what's going on?
Okay.
Babe!
I'm going to be the copy of it.
Babe! Babe!
Number one, you tell us.
Babe!
Number two, I bet your skull
Babe!
the carburetor.
Babe!
I'm the tough, competent cop who's good at her job. You're the kind of unworthy.
What happened? What happened?
Wait, you bought this at 7-Eleven, right? Babe.
I didn't buy it, remember?
Well, you got it at 7-Eleven, right? It was a free scratch off. You bought it at 7-Eleven.
I didn't buy it.
Okay, look. It's 7-Eleven. Look.
What do you
It says we can win $25,000.
What? Really?
Yeah.
To bring me my money.
Yeah, but I want to make sure, you know, I don't want to get.
Come here, let me see. Let me see.
No.
What do you mean? It's mine.
It's not yours.
Yes, it is.
We're not doing it. We need a shot from.
What's yours is mine. You know that one already.
No, me and Matthew are not married yet.
We're in the same shirt.
Oh, yo, get this out of my house. But she didn't want to do it, so I scratched it. So that's maybe.
No, babe, it was mine. Let me see. I don't
So
believe
if you
you.
won $25,000, I can get 5 G's. Let me get 10 G's.
Let me see, cause I don't believe
Well,
you.
he's about to go. Well, I could go check with him.
No, let me see.
Maybe I will, maybe I won't.
Cause I don't believe you right now.
You're wrong or not?
Why are you getting so high? Yeah, he's scratching it.
When are you gonna propose?
So where do you see that we wanted this money?
Look, bro, look. It says match any of your numbers to any of the winning numbers. Win prize shown for that number. 12. 12.
What's the 20? We gotta match all of them?
No, any of the numbers.
Tool and then you grab.
that 7-Eleven?
I didn't buy it. My
She
God.
didn't buy it. What happened is they mixed the bag. Someone bought that car, but then they threw it in her bag.
15 minutes.
Exactly. Well, it fell in your
It's
bag.
mine.
Exactly, right? Exactly.
Can I see it?
Okay, look, check this out.
It says, win, match any of these numbers. These are your numbers. These are your, like for instance, you know how Lotto gives you numbers?
Got $25,000.
Okay,
Yo,
check this out.
so?
So listen. They give you 3
That's
numbers
taxes,
on
though.
your thing, right?
They take out
So they come up,
5
oh
Gs.
no, they take out a good maybe 45%.
So how much is 25?
Out of 40. It's good luck, but you still get money. Money's money.
money's money. Just tell them take out
Check
the
this out.
taxes. I don't want to
No,
pay
she
later.
goes to Manhattan.
Yeah.
Because anything past $1,000,
Oh, Wall Street.
you gotta go to Manhattan and you gotta sign an affidavit and they take the tax out automatically. Well, anyway, let me finish reading this. No, it's Monday to Fridays. Because grandma, when she won $10,000,
Monday to Friday.
she had to go there. And you gotta bring ID. These are lotto numbers they give you. Any of these 3 numbers, any, show up on your page. Whatever the amount is shown beneath it is your winner. 12
Really do, man. Let's keep
is the first one. 12.
Different ages, man.
And the winner is 25,000.
Oh wow.
So if it's true, when I go in, I scan it, it will read off and I get a receipt. It will show winner and I'll bring you the receipt. With the receipt, it will show.
Which is why.
Yeah, I'll bring it right
She
now.
don't read it.
Yeah, it'll beep and they'll give me the receipt. It'll show winner.
Yo,
That's it.
that's why I had to show y'all, yo. I was like, yo, I don't want to
If
be
they-
this wrong and get hyped.
No, it is.
You know who's lucky with these things? My fucking coworker Wahid. He'll blow his last $10.
He's about to go to the store and check it out.
Let me see.
You want to take a picture of it?
Yeah, I want to show my mom.
Take a picture. But how about if it's not? You go look
Yeah,
like
so you get the receipt.
Yeah,
get the receipt, then put it
the
with the
full
receipt.
proof. Get the full proof and then.
yeah.
So
I know,
then.
but I want to show it to my mom.
When you get that, you be like, Mom, look what I won.
That's crazy.
But first you gotta go. What the fuck?
She got lucky.
Babe, how you feel?
I scratched it because you didn't want to do it.
I know, but how you feel? Like you won, that we won this money.
No, come on. Change the channel. Change the
Go
channel.
for it.
Go to the other one. There's 3 wilder cards.
We're going on vacation.
We could just straight up go to vacation.
Take your picture. Check
We could buy the tickets to Cali.
Uh-huh.
Yo.
But do it flat on the fucking bed so you can see the whole thing and point to the fucking winning number.
Yeah.
Right there, look. Right there. Look.
No, let me take a video. Hold on.
Oh my God.
I'm gonna do flash. 'Cause-
Right there.
Wait, it's not flash.
Yeah, she has that more than me because she is nicer than me.
Why you guys have
I mean, you bet because you're well.
Zoom in on 25 at least because you think like.
Oh, because it's flash.
Yeah, zoom in on the 12. 12, baby, 12. 12, baby, 12. You feel me?
Just so stupid.
Yo, let's go. I'm
Babe!
like, I wanted this double check, you feel me?
Can you sit, please? Because you guys are like go crazy. Oh, it's mine.
I know, but I'm just excited.
Relax. Why are you so excited for?
Yeah.
Because you won.
No, because we won, right, baby?
Yes, we won, but I didn't want to see it. You feel me?
So half.
But
You sure?
and
Yeah, you know we're doing this together, no?
Yeah, half.
Yeah.
For real?
Babe, you don't
Alright.
you don't have to share everything
Alright.
with you.
oh God.
Unless you got lipstick or something.
Wouldn't you share everything with me?
Hell yeah.
If it scans that is real,
Back out there.
yo, give me a receipt.
Okay.
I'll show winner.
We out?
Relax. Don't get yourself all hyped up, bro.
Why are you
Relax.
gonna be so hyped up?
Relax,
I
bro.
wanna
Let me.
make sure he don't get robbed.
Why is he gonna get robbed?
You seen that movie, bro? The winning lottery ticket?
Dude,
That
dude,
kid,
check this out, homie. Check this out. All I'm getting is a receipt. That's it. I go to the thing, I go like this, beep. It says winner. I press the button, it gives me the receipt.
All I'm saying is if someone robs you.
I got Maggie with me. You see the size of that woman?
Maggie, you talking shit?
No, no, fuck with me.
Baby.
Hell yeah, yo.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'll be back.
Yeah. What?
I hope it's not a prank.
It's not a prank. It's a prank?
Yeah.
Is it a prank? Really?
It's a prank.
Nah, you're lying.
I'm serious.
Where'd you get that?
Go to Amazon.
Really?
Yeah!
What?
For real? That's crazy. Damn, bro.
I'm gonna fuck your girl up. It's a prank card? How'd you get this?
Amazon.
Yo, that just.
Wow, wow.
That's just.
Wow, wow. Look at this.
That's crazy. You got me clean. Right. That was a fail. I got you. Damn. Yo, I was really hyped. Like, I thought we made it. I was about to say, yo, we flying out ASAP, vacation ASAP, then boom. Said, got you.
Good idea, Todd.
Man, that's crazy. You got me clean. Yeah.
It's a prank card.
It's a prank card.
Really?
She ordered it on Amazon.
She got me clean. Okay.
Yo, how do you get a card that looks so legit?
That's it.
He started the war.
She started the war. Tell you this much, I thought we were going on vacation. So I was ready to call out of work and everything.
You know what's funny? There's a scratch off that was for $1 million. But I was like, nah. I'm like, that looks a little fake. That sounds a little fake. I
That
feel like you
12
wouldn't
had me
believe it.
clean. That 12 had me clean.
I feel like you wouldn't believe it.
That one had me clean.
I feel like, oh, if it's just a few thousand, he'll actually believe it.
I did. I really did. I was like, yo, it's 12. 12 for $25,000. I was like, yo, hold up. Let me double check with my dad. I give him the scratch off to read it, you know. And he's like, yeah, you won. And I'm like, no way. No way. And then, you know, me and my dad going back and forth with it, talking about it. And then, boom, she comes back. And we're literally about to go to 7-Eleven to go scan the card to to give us the receipt for the winning receipt. And she's like, nah, got him. Just said, it's a prank. It's fake. I'm like, what you mean? Damn, yo, my heart was broken. I was dreaming big things in a matter of minutes. Just, it's okay. Those things are definitely gonna happen still.
Are you mad?
I'm not mad. I got
Really?
played.
Wow. I was trying to get you mad.
I gotta get even. You feel me?
That's what happens for getting me sick.
It's all good. I'm gonna get even though.
Give me a kiss.
Nah.
Give me a kiss.
Nah. Why I give you a kiss? You feel me?
Baby. Kiss.
Should I give her a kiss? You know, give me a kiss on the cheek.
I don't want cheek. I want lips. Kiss.
Say I'm awesome.
No. Say I'm the prank winner.
No, not fine. You ain't getting no kiss.
Don't be a sore loser.
What you
You
mean?
being mad salty right now.
You know what? I'm gonna give you this kiss, but doesn't mean you are the best prankster, right?
Yeah, I am.
No, you're not.
I got you good.
Just cause you got me good right now.
Even when I said it was a prank, you said no, you're lying.
That ass. I was like, yo, you lying, bro. You lying. Nah, stop playing.
You didn't even believe me when I said it was a prank.
I didn't. 'Cause I was like, I need the proof, you know.
Look, my baby got me some tacos. So cute. And some little snacky snacks, right? Yeah, he bought this before I did the prank on him, so.
Never saw it yet. I feel like I should take those tacos away. You know, you gotta sleep on the couch. You feel me? That's it. She pranked me. That's it.
I gotta sleep on the couch?
Yup.
Accuse me?
Accuse me.
Accuse me?
Accuse me.
Accuse me?
You got it.
So he's a little salty right now, but I got him, and I'm a winner, and you're a loser, because he really didn't believe that it was a prank the whole entire time, which was funny. So that's it for the video, and we'll see you in our next video.